If you encounter billing errors on You Can Book Me, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. This guide will help you identify and correct any discrepancies in your billing. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Access your account. Log into your You Can Book Me account. Navigate to the billing or payment section to gather more information about your charges and payment history. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to You Can Book Me customer support. Use the contact options available on their website, such as email or live chat, to report the billing error. Provide them with the details you noted in Step 1. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support. Reference your previous communication and ask for an update on the resolution of your billing issue. Step 5. Confirm resolution. Once the issue has been addressed, check your billing statement again to confirm that the error has been corrected. Ensure that any adjustments have been made and that your account reflects the correct charges. By following these steps, you can efficiently resolve billing errors on You Can Book Me. If issues persist, consider reviewing their help documentation or seeking further assistance.